All right, so there might be a little bit of wind interference. Just wanted to drop in and do a quick short video because I haven't really covered this on my channel yet. Was out for my daily walk on my lunch, and the old Do It Best hardware building between what was the party store, later an ice cream store, and this other old building, formerly known as the Allsweed building, is now gone. I did not expect this at all. Wow. Just one more great building gone in Sanford, and the face of the village changed forever.